How to delete all videos on TikTok. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to delete all videos on TikTok. So first thing, just open up your TikTok application and make sure you're logged into your account. And once you're inside here, select the profile icon at the bottom right corner and simply select the hamburger icon at the top right corner and simply select settings and privacy. So once you're inside here, scroll down until you see the activity center. Just tap on this and click on this manage post visibility. So once you're inside here, as you can see, there's an option of different category. So basically you just have to select this all of the videos which you have already posted. Unfortunately you have to select it one by one instead of selecting all at once, but it's much faster than deleting every single video by simply clicking on those three dot icon one by one. So now all you gotta do is just click on this only you button over here and simply click on next and make sure you select the only you. So what it does is basically all of your videos are made to private, and it is almost as same as deleting all of your videos on TikTok. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.